All right, let's get started on our first grid. So we're talking about these things called integers, which are positive and negative numbers. Okay, so I know you've talked a lot about those probably before. Let's just refresh our memory. So positive numbers are always, they always go to the right of 0. So make sure that you have your pencil out, packet ready to go, and taking the notes with us, okay? So that first blank is going to be right because positive numbers always go to the right of 0 when you're talking about a number line. And moving to the right on a number line, that means numbers will always get bigger. Always, always, always. Okay, so moving to the right on the number line, even if it's on either side of 0, moving to the right always means numbers get bigger, but positive numbers are to the right of 0. So let's draw a quick number line example to help show where these positive numbers are. So the first thing I'm going to do is put some tick marks on my number line. You can do however many you want, but when I'm doing those tick marks, I also want to label them with some numbers. You can count by whatever you'd like. I chose to just put 0 in the middle, and then I counted by ones on either side. Okay, so I start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then I also need to go the other way, and so we're gonna go to the left of 0. We're gonna have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. See how it's like a mirror, right? It just kind of reflects the other side. Okay, and this is talking about positive numbers, and we know those are to the right of 0, and so I'm gonna just label that side positive. There we go. Just put that plus sign. You can circle it. You can write the word positive if you want. Totally up to you. But to the right of 0 is always positive numbers, and they are getting bigger going that way. Okay? Now let's talk about negative numbers real quick. So negative numbers, kind of thinking the opposite of positive, that means always go to the left of 0. And moving to the left on the number line, numbers will get smaller. Just the opposite of what we were saying before. Okay, if I'm ever going too fast, feel free to pause the video and catch on up, but otherwise keep it moving forward. We've got our tick marks again on our number line. Okay, and I'm just going to label them the exact same way I did on the last one. I'm just going to stick that 0 in the middle. I'm going to label my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the right, and my -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 on the left. And we're talking about negative numbers, so I know those are to the left of 0. So we're going to have our negative sign there. Now if you want to write the word, you're more than welcome to. If you want to circle it to draw some emphasis, that's fine. But going to the left is negative numbers. All right, so go ahead and take another look at the next video for more number line notes. You got this.